Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be using this X-Tool scanner to see how much diagnostic information we can get out of our Canon. It's got the generic diagnostic port for any car, so it works for a lot, and it works via Bluetooth, so you just connect it up to the app and you can go for a plethora of diagnostic information. You can edit stuff. I haven't done that. I haven't tested that stuff out because I went to DMEQ, but for you guys who know what you're doing, that's cool. But what is good is you can run all these tests to find out why there's any lights or any engine failure lights or any red warning signs, to find out what is going exactly on in your system. You can read some diagnostic information. It's very, very useful. It even has a DPF menu. Obviously, I didn't mess around too much with that because I don't want to, my car's still under warranty, so I don't want to mess around with it too much. But the fact that you can get some diagnostic information for a nice nifty price, and it just works out of the box, and it still has updates. It had updates as recent as the current month I published this video on. So that is pretty good. So this is the AnyScan A30M diagnostic kit for cars. It works on iOS and Android, both of them, over Bluetooth, and it does ABS, SRS, steering angle, service maintenance, battery management, gearbox, and this is the unit itself. Feels very nice and smooth and comfortable. It's got a little display here. For the manual, you scan that QR code and you get it launched in on your phone, which you can download. So it says here you need the AnyScan application. Here is the port that we need to plug into. Boom, we got sound. So we're plugged in right now. It's all connected down there in the port. So what we're going to do, we're going to fire up the app and connect to it over Bluetooth. But the first thing that's impressive is when I go into updates, it's got 116. So they haven't forgotten about this product. It's been updated as recent as January 2025, February 2025. So it's on March. That's cool. It's got GWM in there. So hopefully it will support my car. I'm seeing tank. So I'm connecting over Bluetooth, and that's the device, the A30M. So I'm just going to pair it up. I selected that as the device, and it should know what to connect to now. So I'm going to click diagnostic. I've got China, I've got Great Wall, and let's see if it connects. That light over there, I don't know if you can see it. It's turned blue rather than red. You can see the reflection on my sock. So that means it should be paired with the phone. So let's see if it connects. Hello. Boom, we are in. As you can see, you can automatically detect the car you got, or if you manually select a vehicle. So I've got Poa, and whoa, King Kong, don't have that one. I've got the basic one, and you can choose what kind of tests you want to run. So it goes from battery management, charge controller, interrupt system, everything really, trailer mode, driver and recorder, parking assist. And if you go inside, it gives you all these crazy options. So you can clear some data, have the live data, so you can actually edit the functionality of the actual car itself, which is dangerous in the wrong hands. So I'm not going to be messing around with that. But you can just go ahead and just do automatic scan, and that will scan all of the functionalities. And look at that, pass, 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 pass. This car looks to be in good condition. Apart from the tire pressure, I need to pump that up. That's good. But everything else seems to be passing. What I want to get to is the DPF report. In order to access the DPF, I just need to download the special function called DPF. And I just did that. So click back. Special function. We got DPF. There it is. And China, we're going to go to Great Wall. And then you can go ahead, and there is some interesting DPF special functions here. I mean, GPF is not the right one. It's a DPF, not GPF. So I'm probably in the wrong menu here. But if I maybe go to here, there you go. We can do an idle regeneration. We can do driving regeneration. You can do a pressure sensor reset. Interesting situations here. I wonder if there's just a read the current DPF levels. I'll probably just email support and get that one because I can't seem to find it. Because I'd like to know what DPF cycle I'm currently on, because on this Canon, after 3 attempts to regen the DPFs, it's going to go into service mode, and it's going to just limit your speed just awfully. You're gonna have to drive it in manually and just rev it up just to get home. Very, very dangerous. So I'd like an indicator to know which DPF cycle I'm currently in, because if it's more than 2, I pretty much just want to do a manual DPF burn and see if I can get going. You can reset all of these values, so you can pretty much just reprogram it potentially. Just plugs into the port just like that. Super easy to use, and maybe don't play around with it too much if you don't know what you're doing, like me. But if you do know how to get the DPF levels, let me know in the comment section below. You're finished with it. It's always best to unplug it because it does take about 100 milliamps. So it'll drain out your battery if you leave it just plugged in there all the time. All right, so what do you guys think of this Xtool A30M? Just plug it in, play, connect over the app, and it all just works. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.